Hello students, this is the next lecture of your second chapter. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about consolidate option in Excel. What is the use of consolidate option in Excel? Generally, consolidate is used for combining values of different references or ranges. Ranges means collection of cells or collection of values like this. This is the range. This one can be range. This one can be range. So if we want to combine or if we want to get the total of all the different ranges, then we can use the consolidate option. So let's do the practical. I'm going to copy here the salesman and the names of the salesman. Now to copy this one, click the home tab and copy this one. And another way you can use by pressing the Ctrl plus C to make the copy. Click the copy option, select the location and paste it here. And if you want to use the shortcut key, you can press Ctrl plus B. Now in this one, I want to get total of all the ranges, quarter 1, quarter 2 and quarter 3. So I wrote total, and below the total I am going to get the total of the all quarters. So click the data tab, click the consolidate option. You have to select different ranges for which you want to make the consolidation. So firstly, here various references are there, so firstly let me delete it. Now first range I'm selecting here, click in this box, and here the function is sum. Sum means it will do the addition of all the ranges. So first range is there, this one, select it. Now click the add button, it will add here. Select the second range, click the add button, and click the third range, click the add button, and now click OK. So it will show you total of all the quarters, means quarter 1, quarter 2. See, 5000 plus 3000, 3500, 8500 and plus 1600. So you will get here this one. So in same way, it has done the addition of all the quarters here for all the salesmen. So this was the use of the consolidation. And consolidation option, you can use the same sheet or you can use the different sheet also. Now here I am going to do consolidation for different sheets. In sheet 1, here we are working in the sheet 2. In sheet 2, I maintained here the value of quarter 1 for all the salesmen. Now I copied this one and I just pasted this one in the sheet 3. Paste it, click the home tab and paste. Sorry, I click the copy, click the sheet 3 and paste, click the paste option. Now you can change the values of the quarter. So here the quarter will be 2 and values you can make changes here like 6000, 9000, 8000. You can increase the size of the now after that I just took the fourth sheet to make the consolidation. Again I use the paste option to paste the things. Copy the data, click the copy option and now paste it in the sheet 4. You can add new sheet from here. Click here and paste it. And I deleted the value of the quarter and I took here quarter 1 and quarter 2, and in the fourth sheet I'm going to get here total of the all quarters. So click here and now click the data tab and consolidate option, add the references, click the sheet 2 and select the quarter 1 and click add button. In same way you will click the sheet 3, add the range and then come on the sheet 4 and click the OK button. You will get the total. Some error is there, so it has not come, but it will come.